8 herbs that will cleanse your liver fast. Hidden within your body lies a tireless champion, the liver. This remarkable organ orchestrates a symphony of functions, tirelessly filtering toxins, breaking down fats, and aiding digestion. It stands as a barrier against harm, safeguarding your well-being with unwavering dedication. Yet, even this mighty hero faces vulnerability. Environmental toxins, alcohol, and certain medications can gradually wear down its defenses, leading to inflammation, scarring, and potential malfunction. Fortunately, nature offers a helping hand with a collection of potent herbs with the power to support and protect the liver. Today, we delve into 8 botanical allies that can bolster your liver health, promoting its optimal function and aiding in its tireless efforts. The liver-loving 8. 1. Milk thistle. The liver, a tireless sentinel of your well-being, faces constant threats from environmental toxins, alcohol, and certain medications. Milk thistle, a flowering herb with a rich history in traditional medicine, emerges as a staunch defender of this vital organ. At the heart of milk thistle's protective powers lies silymarin, a group of antioxidants that act as a shield for liver cells, neutralizing harmful free radicals and toxins. Silymarin's remarkable abilities extend to regenerating damaged liver cells and stimulating the production of glutathione, a crucial player in the body's detoxification processes. Studies have consistently demonstrated milk thistle's efficacy in improving liver function in individuals battling chronic liver diseases, particularly those caused by hepatitis C and alcohol abuse. Its remarkable properties have also shown promise in protecting the liver from alcohol-induced damage. Key benefits: protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and toxins, helps regenerate damaged liver cells, stimulates glutathione production, a vital player in detoxification, improves liver function in individuals with chronic liver diseases and those encountering alcohol-related damage. 2. Turmeric. The vibrant golden spice that graces countless cuisines holds within it a potent compound known as curcumin. Curcumin, a culinary gem with far-reaching benefits, emerges as a guardian of liver health, wielding its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Curcumin's remarkable ability to combat inflammation in the liver proves invaluable in preventing the formation of scar tissue, a hallmark of chronic liver diseases. Its role in fostering detoxification pathways further enhances the liver's ability to eliminate harmful substances, safeguarding its overall function. Scientific research has consistently validated turmeric's effectiveness in improving liver function in individuals with chronic liver diseases, including cirrhosis and hepatitis B. Additionally, its protective properties have shown promise in mitigating alcohol-induced liver damage. Key benefits: reduces inflammation in the liver, prevents scar tissue formation, fosters detoxification pathways, improves liver function in chronic liver diseases, and protects against alcohol-induced liver damage. 3. Dandelion. Often dismissed as a mere weed, the dandelion belies its remarkable potential as a liver-supportive herb. Its diuretic properties, akin to a gentle nudge, promote the removal of excess fluids and toxins from the body, easing the workload on the liver. Dandelion's arsenal of antioxidants further reinforces its protective role, shielding liver cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and toxins. Studies have demonstrated its efficacy in enhancing liver function in individuals with chronic liver diseases and alcohol-related liver damage. Key benefits: promotes the removal of excess fluids and toxins, eases the workload on the liver, safeguards liver cells against harmful molecules, promotes liver function in chronic liver diseases, and mitigates alcohol-related liver damage. 4. St. John's wort. While not as widely known for its liver-loving properties, St. John's wort, the sunshine-colored herb, holds promising potential for supporting your hepatic hero. Its unique blend of compounds, including hypericin and hyperforin, unlock a range of benefits for your liver health. St. John's wort shines brightest in its ability to combat inflammation, a silent enemy of the liver. These potent anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce swelling and irritation, creating a calmer environment for liver cells to function optimally. Beyond inflammation, St. John's wort also boasts antioxidant prowess. It scavenges harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells, protecting them from oxidative stress. This protective shield helps maintain healthy liver function, especially in individuals with chronic liver diseases. While research on St. John's wort's direct impact on liver health is still growing, early studies suggest it might play a role in reducing liver fat accumulation, a factor in some chronic liver diseases. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties offer potential in mitigating alcohol-induced liver damage. Key benefits: combats liver inflammation, creating a calmer environment for optimal function. Boasts antioxidant power, protecting liver cells from harmful free radicals. May play a role in reducing liver fat accumulation. Shows potential in mitigating alcohol-induced liver damage. 5. Garlic. A culinary staple renowned for its flavor and versatility, extends its benefits to the realm of liver health. Sulfur compounds found in garlic play a crucial role in detoxification processes, neutralizing harmful substances and bolstering their removal from the body. Garlic's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties further safeguard and enhance liver function. Studies have affirmed its positive impact on liver function in individuals with chronic liver diseases and its potential to combat alcohol-related harm. Key benefits: assists in detoxification processes by neutralizing harmful substances, bolsters the removal of harmful substances from the body, protects and bolsters liver function with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, positively impacts liver function in chronic liver diseases and combats alcohol-related harm. 6. Licorice root. The sweetness of licorice root extends beyond its culinary appeal to encompass remarkable liver-supportive properties. Glycyrrhizin, a compound found in licorice root, wields potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers. These properties prove invaluable in protecting liver cells from harm and fostering optimal liver function. Studies have shown licorice root's efficacy in promoting better liver function in individuals facing chronic liver diseases, particularly those caused by hepatitis B and C. However, it is crucial to note that licorice root can interact with certain medications, making medical consultation essential before consumption. Key benefits: protects liver cells with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, fosters optimal liver function, promotes better liver function in individuals facing chronic liver diseases. 7. Chanca piedra. Chanca piedra, a South American herb traditionally used to dissolve kidney stones, has also garnered attention for its potential liver protective properties. Its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds suggest promising benefits for safeguarding the liver. While research on Chanca piedra's direct impact on liver health is ongoing, preliminary evidence suggests its potential in preventing alcohol-induced liver damage. Further studies are warranted to fully elucidate its efficacy and safety. Key benefits: possesses potential liver protective properties thanks to its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. May offer promising benefits for preventing alcohol-induced liver damage. 8. Ginger. While often relegated to the kitchen realm, ginger, with its fiery bite and warm aroma, hides a surprising secret: a passion for liver health. This versatile root boasts a unique blend of compounds that work together to support your hard-working liver from the inside out. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties shine brightest in its ability to combat liver inflammation, a silent threat to optimal function. Its potent compounds, like gingerols and shugales, help reduce swelling and irritation, creating a calmer environment for liver cells to thrive. Beyond inflammation, ginger also delivers a powerful antioxidant punch. It scavenges harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells, protecting them from oxidative stress and promoting overall liver health. This protective shield is particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic liver diseases. Furthermore, ginger's unique ability to stimulate bile production adds another layer of liver support. By facilitating the flow of bile, ginger helps with digestion and nutrient absorption, reducing the burden on your liver. This can be especially helpful for individuals with sluggish digestion or those who regularly consume fatty foods. Key benefits: combats liver inflammation, creating a calmer environment for optimal function. Boasts antioxidant power, protecting liver cells from harmful free radicals. Stimulates bile production, aiding with digestion and nutrient absorption. May offer protection against alcohol-induced liver damage. So in short, your liver is an essential organ that play a vital role in your overall health. By incorporating these 8 herbs into your daily diet, you can help cleanse and detoxify your liver, promoting their optimal function and supporting your overall well-being. Please remember that these herbs are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any concerns about your liver health, consult with a doctor or healthcare professional. And now I encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these herbs before? If so, how have they helped your liver health? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health-related videos. Thank you for watching.